In the event that you passed up a major opportunity for purchasing a Jaguar F-Type Project 7 Roadster a couple of years prior, Jaguar will now offer an approach to get the following best thing. It's revealing another illustrations bundle for the F-Type SVR that includes an arrangement of stripes and differentiating highlights that are exceptionally reminiscent of the uncommon Project 7 and the race autos that motivated it. Also, since the present SVR makes an indistinguishable power from the Project 7, you won't pass up a great opportunity for much aside from the custom bodywork. Over the hood and bumpers are comparable level stripes that exclusive truly contrast in how the number 575 is incorporated. This number speaks to the auto's 575 pull. The front stripes are joined by additional on the side skirts and mirrors, with those on the side skirts likewise getting the 575 assignment. The stripes are supplemented by a grille encompass and wing end tops completed with an indistinguishable shading from the stripes. Puma will offer the illustrations bundle in 6 shading mixes. It can be had in white with red stripes, dark with gold stripes, dim with blue stripes, red with dark stripes, blue with dim stripes, or silver with dark stripes. Likewise, while it will be a no-taken-a-toll choice abroad, it will add a bit to the cost of North American illustrations. Panther didn't state how much the choice will be here, however,